2. JRU coming off a tough loss against the Benil Lady Blazers. Letran taking care of business against EAC. Mga kapuso, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Thank you so much for waking up bright and early on a Friday morning. Ito na, unang rally ng ating laban. Siyempre, binigay agad ng Letran dito kay Yen Martin, but they go to Judiel, who catches the line at the back. Good start for Letran.
Yes, tsaka makita mo yung energy, Martin. First possession, pero grabe yung energy. Both teams, pero itong naig. Itong, ang ganda kasi nung paikot ng bole. Tsaka ang daming options para sa Letran Lady Knights kung sinong pwedeng papaluin. Kitang-kita mo yung system ng isang coach Oliver Almagro.
That's right. And emerging as one of the best setters in the league. Dati, secondary setter. Itong si Nat Estrelier. She has found her way in the starting unit. 16 excellent sets against EAC. Judel Nitura, though, commits the service error. So we go over to the other side. Mula naman dito sa Lady Bombers, si Kring Batara ang magsisimula. Having a solid season. Her first as a full-time starter, Anjo.
Iba talaga pag mga, if it's your time, talagang manggigigil ka kapag nagtagal mo na sa bench. Tapos pag nabigyan ka na ng chance, inside the court, hindi mo na papakawalan yan.
Lalo na pag ina-activate ka ng setter mo as a middle. Just like that, ito si Angelique Ledesma able to connect from the middle. So Judel will serve it up. Laurente Del Pilar. Oh, what a dive by Makilang. Ito si Yen Martin who had an excellent game against EAC. Back set for Judel. Popped up by Inday. Oh! Nagkaalangan sa second ball itong JRU.
Oo, medyo miscommunication. Sayang yun. Ganda ng depensa ni Inday doon. Ang ganda ng pagkakadepensa. Sakto sana eh. And then, ayun. Too bad.
To rookies, hindi nagkausap doon itong si Rian Lalong Isip at saka si Pat Del Pilar. Laurente. Egera. Underhand. Set up for Yen Martin who puts it down. So picking up rather from where she left off in the previous game, Martin scores her first point.
We were talking about her earlier. Kitang-kita niyo yung gap eh. Yung taas, ang ganda ng vision niya kapag nasa area siya. Kitang-kita niyo saan niya papadaanin yung bola. Kanina andun yung blockers. Ang ganda ng pwesto ng blockers ng JRU Lady Bombers. But iba, matalino maglaro ang isang Martin.
That's right. Oh, difficult first ball. Ito yung problema ng JRU sa kanilang huling laban. Estrelier running push for Ledesma. Pinahirapan ulit yung depensa ng JRU. Another chance ball. Estrelier this time goes to Martin. Instant point for Yen Martin.
Grabe, back-to-back attack points para kay Yen Martin. Grabe yung confidence itong batang to. Imagine rookie but ganyan na mag-produce Martin. How much more for the next coming seasons?
Maganda yung kwento nito ni Yen Martin kasi talagang nag-grind siya papunta sa Team A. Spent a season with, I think, the Team B. Sabi sa akin ni Coach O, ang ganda pinakita nung off-season nila. Did the work, made her way to the starting unit. Etong si Yen Martin.
At nagbunga. Lahat ng paghihirap niya.
The smart zone right there by Nat Estrelier.
Kitang-kita niya yung butas eh. Kasi nakaabang na sa spikers. Itong blockers, automatic butas yung gitna. Drop pull lang, puntos.
Early timeout by Coach Mia.
Bigong makapasok sa 2024 Paris Olympics si Tokyo Olympic gold medalist at Pinay weightlifter na si Heidelin Diaz. Hindi nakamit ni Diaz ang kailangang puntos sa 59 kg weightlifting category sa qualification rounds ng 2024 IWF World Cup. Dagdag naman sa listahan ng pambato ng Pilipinas para sa Paris.
Na-depensa ni Inday. This second time naman, hindi nila napag-usapan na frontline sa Estrelier at pwede siyang mag-drop ball. Walang tumao kay Estrelier kaya napadali yung buhay ni Estrelier that time.
That's right. Lapses from JRU's side. Although, they will be given a breather. Ayan, medyo matagal na dun si Nitura. So, okay na. They can afford that service error. But they have to be careful with this JRU team. And may potential dito, lalo na kapag nakuha nila yung laro nila. Outside for Yen Martin, her first attack error.
That set was too low for her. Kaya mali din yung angle ng palo niya. Went outside.
So 2 straight errors para dito sa Letran Lady Knights will allow JRU to pull to within 3 ni Ruiz. Diretso kay Makilang yun. Estrelier, wow! Ledesma again, her second quick in the opening set.
Very aggressive approach. Ang ganda nung timing ni Ledesma para sa set net. At ganda rin ng connection ni Estrelier para sa mga spikers niya. Sobrang obvious.
Such an underrated middle blocker itong si Angelique Ledesma because when you watch Letran, you talk about Martin, Makilang, Nitura, even Estrelier, even Lara May Silva. Pero sobrang solid sa gitna. As a blocker and as a quicker neto ni Ledesma. Oh, lefty push. Oh, wow. Good adjustment from Silverio.
Good adjustment. Right-handed attacker itong si Silverio. Pero nakita niya lumagpas na yung set sa kanya. Adjusted mid-air. Good job.
No way the Letran defenders could have predicted that. Kasi dito siya
Lagpas
nakatingin.
na eh.
Oh. That's Jen Silverio scoring. Estrelier running hit. Too strong this time for Ledesma. So JRU is within 2.
Bilis sumabol din ng Jerry Lady Bombers. Ito yung maganda sa kanila. At this point, nagiging consistent sila. Inahayaan nilang magkamali. Itong Letran Lady Knights.
Sabi sa akin ni Coach Mia dun sa Benilde game, halata na medyo tense sila. May konting intimidation. Took them a while to get their machine going. Ooh! Another error on the Letran Lady Knights. At isa na lang ang abante na itong Knights.
Ito nga, medyo nagkakaroon na, sunod-sunod na itong attack errors ng Letran Lady Knights. Parang nanggigigil.
Karamihan itong 6 na puntos ng JRU. Wala sa error ng Letran so far. Difficult first ball, good serve. Ooh! That is also too strong. Oh, no. They give the point to Letran. So we go to our first technical timeout. Pagkatapos po ng ating quick break, it's a report from Arlov De Jesus.
Another good news mga kapuso, pasok na rin po sa 2024 Paris Olympics ang Pinoy weightlifter na si John February Seniza. Yan ay matapos siyang magwagi sa qualification tournament na 2024 IWF World Cup sa Thailand. Nakuha ni Seniza ang ika-4 na pwesto sa men's 61 kg weightlifting category. Siya ay ika-8 dagdag sa pambato ng Pilipinas para sa 2024 Paris Olympics. Una na nag-qualify sa 49 kg weightlifting category si Rosie G. Ramos.
The NCAA Women's Volleyball Tournament for the season. 99 with a game between the JRU Lady Bombers and Letran Lady Knights. I am Arlov De Jesus working on the sidelines. Hindi man daw naging maganda ang takbo ng laro nila against the Benilde Lady Blazers. Kyle Hasareno from the JRU Lady Bombers said that they really focused on their lapses at mas nag-igi daw sila mag-ensayo kahit na midterm exams daw nila this week. They really make sure na makakapag-ensayo pa rin daw ang lahat and they will be more composed for today's game. When I spoke to Yen Martin from the Letran Lady Knights, she shared with me na baguhin yung kultura at palakasin kung saan mahina, dagdagan kung saan malakas kasi ayan daw ang mga sinasabi sa kanila ni Coach O. Almadro despite having a new system. Ginagawa raw nila unti-unti para makapag-adjust at makuha yung sistema. Balik sa inyo, Martin and Anjo.
Maraming salamat, Arlov. And excellent report on our coaches here. Unay muna natin itong Letran. Because even though they're playing like this, Anjo, 3-0 start so far, undefeated. At yung 3-0 na yon, nakatalo sila ng Arellano at Perpetual. You know, he recognizes that it's just the start for them at marami pang kailangan na i-improve at punan. Para naman sa JRU, siyempre nabanggit yung mga lapses at composure mula sa batang team na to.
Pero nga, knowing Coach Oliver, hindi siya papayag hanggat hindi pa tapos ang trabaho. 3-0 means nothing for him right now. Kasi marami pa silang kalaban at marami pa silang obstacles na kailangang pagdaanan dahil sobrang jam-packed itong NCAA season natin. On the other hand, sa JRU, kailangan lang na lang unting polish pa sa kanilang lapses, mas lalo pagdating sa kanilang receiving yan.
Pero dito sa laban natin, Gia Makilang scoring her second point right there. Coach O, of course, he mentioned that he's won a lot of championships in different leagues, iba-ibang division, men's, women's division. So he knows how to get the job done. Like I get a two-handed push. Silva with a good pass to Estrelier. Here is the put down. It is a down-the-line hit for Nitura.
Sobrang bilis magpaikot ng bola ni Estrelier eh. Sobrang bilis ng transitions, kaya naman sobrang hirap itong blockers ng JRU. Kung dapat dalawa yun eh. Utility set, opposite set, kailangan mahabol agad ng middle blocker yun kahit wala namang tumalon sa gitna na decoy para sa Letran Lady Knights. Pero nga, so sobrang bilis ng sets, nahihirapan humabol tong blockers ng JRU.
Ayun ang improve sa setting. Ito ni Estrelier. Oh, look at that. Ilang pushes through the double block.
Tower lead.
Ito na.
Kahit hindi ganun katanggaran, but with that lead and power,
Umaarangkada na si Gia Makilang. Beach volleyball, rookie MVP natin yan.
oh, beach volley. Kaya pala mataas naman.
Kaya komportable na ang gaan ng katawan as Estrelier scores the ace. And that's what you like about her. Marunong na mag-set, nag-improve sa setting, pero nandyan pa rin yung sharpness ng serve niya at yung power niya sa mga palo niya.
Tama ka dyan, Marks. Pero ito nga yung key point na kailangan ayusin ng JRU is yung receiving nila. Masyado silang nakasag pero nabate. Service error.
Pero again, bago sila nag-error, nakakapuhunan na itong Letran.
Oo, nakakabangko sila ng kalamangan. Kaya kung mag-error sila, hindi ganun kasakit.
Kanina, nababa na to sa isa ng JRU. They're facing a 5-point lead right now. Estrelier over to Makilang. Oh, again, this time from the other side, Gia Makilang.
Kaya pa sobrang effective nung opposite side nitong Letran Lady Knights. Kaya pa sila nakakapuntos. It seems like parang hindi pa nakakapag-adjust itong JR Lady Bombers sa pattern yun. Kasi nakailang ulit na itong Letran Lady Knights.
That's right, may delay dun sa block doon ni Batara at ni Ruiz. Speaking of may Ruiz, here's the free ball. Estrelier to Martin. Andun si Hazareno. Ruiz. Estrelier choosing Martin again. Denied. Dito naka-adjust ang JRU. Tulak sa gitna. Inday to Batara. Rally continues, the longest one of the opening set. Oh,
wow.
Silva absorbing that power. Martin.
Wow.
Ruiz was right there. They go back to me. Drops it.
Very good floor defense ng both teams.
Judel scores. And what a block for JRU right there.
Banana with that swag after that. A very long rally. And with the kill block. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam nun. Kung ako yung middle blocker, mas pipiliin kong magkaroon ng kill block point kaysa sa attack point.
Nakakaangat ng kumpiyansa yun, ano? And you block one of the main gunners of Letran. That should boost her confidence dito sa laban natin. Pero si Judel bumawi. Yeah.
Ito na yung maganda sa Letran. No? Pag-usapan natin kanina na kapag nakakapag-error sila, nakakapag-bangko sila. Yeah. Pero pag nakakapuntos naman, itong Jerry Lady Bombers, ang bilis din ng sagot nila. Nakaka-side out sila agad.
And that's, you know, a sign of a good team. Kanya ka mananalo sa mga laban eh. And that's how you dominate your opponent. Nicole Deala coming in for the first time for the Lady Bombers. The lefty hitter is now on the court. You have to see De La Cruz. Ruiz. Oh, what a dig by Estrelier. Popped up. Alonia. Tomero Ruiz this time. Pushes that one through.
Wow. Ruiz with that power. Kahit andun, ang ganda ng tapat ng Letran Lady Knights. Wala. Overpowered.
Yeah. Feeling ko kailangan nyo ng mas maraming yan. Kasi itong Letran, of course, pinag-aralan sila nito. Alam nila, identified ng Letran yung mga hitters nila. Kaya kahit anong gawin nila, may harang sa gitna. You know?
Tama, Marts. Pero yun nga, ibig sabihin niya, kailangan mag-extra effort ni Ruiz. Kasi alam niyang binabantayan siya ngayon ng blockers ng Letran Lady Knights.
That's right. 11-15, Karing Batara putting pressure. This time on the first ball of Letran. So JRU able to get a couple of points in. 4 na lang ang hinahabol nila. That's also a good serve. Difficult set. Ooh, but a conversion from Judel Nitura.
Finding that line, going for that long ball attack. Nakita niya na masyadong malapit yung depensa. Itong JR Lady Bombers, puntos agad.
Yeah. Second technical timeout. Letran is ahead by 5.
Another good news mga kapuso, pasok na rin po sa 2024 Paris Olympics ang Pinoy weightlifter na si John February Seniza. Yan ay matapos siyang magwagi sa qualification tournament na 2024 IWF World Cup sa Thailand. Nakuha ni Seniza ang ika-4 na pwesto sa men's 61 kg weightlifting category. Siya ay ika-8 dagdag sa pambato ng Pilipinas para sa 2024 Paris Olympics. Una nang nag-qualify sa 49 kg weightlifting category si Rosie G. Ramos. Makakasama nila sa Paris Olympics sila EJ Obiana, Carlos Yulo, Alea Finegan, Yumi.
You guys are with Martin Javier, Anjo Bertiera in the coverage. Medyo emphasize dito yung height advantage ni Anjo.
Akala ko magbo-boomerang tayo parang kay Arlov.
Si Arlov meron pang backdrop kanina. Bihira yun ha.
Ganda ng background, di ba?
Ganda ng background. Tapos may parang backlight pa sa likod. Parang may halo siya doon.
Oo. May aura.
Oo, may aura. Okay, but back to live action here. You guys are catching us via live stream, by the way. NCAA Philippines and GMA Sports PH. It is Letran with a 5-point advantage. Deyala is checked right away. Ruiz. Pinangat. Estrella to Martin. Martin off the block.
Nakita mo yung pag-transition play ng Letran, ang ginagawa nila, low and fast sets para hindi nakakapag-set ng tamang blockies itong JRU. Kitang-kita yung adjustment na ginawa ni Martin for that one. Dinala niya pakanan yung bola, opting for that check out, kaya puntos para kay Martin.
You mentioned the low and fast sets nitong si Nat Estrelier. Kung nagtataka po kayo, ang bilis ng first set natin so far. It's because of those quick plays nitong Letran Lady Knights. But here's a counter by JRU. Si Pat Del Pilar, 5'11", rookie middle blocker ni Coach Mia, able to convert.
Del Pilar using her long right arm for that quick drop ball.
12 to 17. Martin! Uy! Miscommunication.
Oo, ito overset na para kay Estrelier papunta kay Martin. Medyo napalakas yung set.
Natin. Oh yeah.
Umasa si Martin kasi nakita ko, ang sets ni Estrelier kay Martin beaten na mabilis. Ngayon napalabas yung set kaya hindi niya nahabol.
So apat ulit ang abante ng Letran. Uy! Hazareno forced to give it up. Estrelier to Ledesma. This time it is popped up. Hazareno. Easy up for the Lady Knights. Back row hit. It connects for Makilang.
Pero ang ganda rin ng laban ni Makilang doon kasi usually pag mga ganong high na chance balls na, yung mga off ball, kadalasan ino-over na lang yan eh. Bihira yung inaatake pa. Papunta sa kabila yung bola.
Sa kanila, napaganda pa yon.
Oo.
Converted to a point by Gia. Martin with a jump serve. Masyado malakas. Too much juice.
So looking at the attacking points, no? Itong Letran is equally distributed. Martin, Nitura with 5, Ledesma with 4, Makilang with 5, Martin with 4. On the other hand, para sa JRU, Ruiz with 2 points.
Kulang na kulang yung opensa nitong Lady Bomber so far. Dagdagan mo pa nito. Pero iaangat ni Alonia. High free ball. Yeah. Makilang drops it. Nakaabang si Deyala. Hazareno. Denied. Laurente. Makilang. Alonia with a dig.
What a defense by Alonia.
Silva with the counter defense. Mga libero natin dito nag-e-excel. Hazareno.
Another free ball, Martin.
Perfect pass. 1-2. Nakaabang na si Deyala. Hazareno will try. And it's still alive.
Wow,
long rally. Chance ball given to JRU. Del Pilar. Buhay pa. Makilang. It's still alive. Longest rally so far. Hazareno sends that one low.
That was so long. Sigurado ko lahat ng pumalo, lahat na dumepensa ay hingal na hingal ngayon after that very long rally. Nabitin na.
Nabitin.
So si Hazareno that time pagod eh. Nakailang
Alam mo.
approach siya, nakailang depensa. Grabe.
Kita mo dun, did not have the lift that she wanted. At yung approach din niya sa bola, kaya mababa yung atake niya. Better first ball. Underhand set for Hazareno. It is Estrelier to Makilang. Oh! Good reflexes by Inday Laurente.
Oo, tama. Ganda nung timing niya doon. Nakita rin niya na parang off-speed option agad. Kaya hinintay niya yung drop ball. Pinalit niya sa kapila na walang depensa sa Letran Lady Knights. Puntos para sa Lady Knights.
The smaller of the two blockers in that sequence, Laurente getting the better of that exchange. Ooh. De La Cruz. Inday. Pupuntahan si Hazareno. Mababa pa rin.
Hindi, parang nagre-reklamo siya sa Reno na medyo bitin yung set. Kaya nahihirapan siya mag-adjust. Automatic nakatayo din. Oh. Ang ganda ng tapat ng blockers ng Letran Lady Knights. Pumasok man yung mahihirapan din dahil sa blockers. Medyo mababa yung set.
Pero tama yung intention niya na
Going for that down the line. Oo.
ano? Mababa lang talaga yung bigay. So, Nat Estrelier, Shanine Prera coming in for the first time. Also a rookie for JRU. Back set to Shanine. Siya agad ang binigyan. One motion play will not work. Patara, their own version. Laramay with the underhand setup. That's a check ball. Judel gets it.
Pero ang maganda dito, both teams ang ganda ng floor defense, Martin. Hindi basta lumalapag yung bola eh.
Ito, Coach Mia calling for a timeout.
Lang natin kaya yan. Kami, gusto mo bumabat, bola kagad, para matayin na natin. Lang, okay? Let's go. Naiilalan na tayo dun, no? Okay, swing agad. Pagkita ng bola, swing. Okay? Tuloy-tuloy lang natin. Isa-isa.
Sabi ni Coach Mia, kaya pa yan, isa-isa. Kunin natin.
Kaya pa yan. Kahit siguro 3:1 conversion para sa JR. They need consistency para mahabol itong kalamangan ng Letran. Kapag nakadikit na, kailangan pa rin ng consistency. Kailangan nilang makareceive ng maayos para makaset up sila ng tamang place. Para mahirapan yung blockers ng Letran Lady Knights.
Yeah. Kasi magaganda yung exchange natin dito. Ibig sabihin, nasasabayan ng JRU yung mga atake nitong Letran.
Tama, Martin. Pagdating sa transition, kaya nilang sumabay. Pero pagdating sa set plays, dun sila nahihirapan.
That's right. We'll see. Latter part of set number 1 here. You guys are watching right now. May Ruiz! Andun si Lara May. Another setup for JRU. Buhay pa! It's good! Oh, Silva saves it. What an effort from Lara May Silva. Patara! Pinuhay na naman ni Silva. Makilang. Alonia. That goes straight to the antenna.
Yung akala natin puntos na.
We have to check
Buhay
this.
pa.
Ayan o. Nabuhay pa.
Wow.
Alonia. Kept it alive.
Grabe reflexes ni Alonia, Martin.
Grabe.
Amazing play para kay Alonia. Ang galing eh. No? Biglang nandun yung kamay niya.
Malapit na yun. Bababa na yun eh.
Galing. Amazing play.
What a sequence for Alonia and for Lara May as well.
Yeah.
Who kept it alive and kept that one in play for Letran. Oh. Good serve. But it stays in play. Back set para kay Nitura. Wow, she's becoming a master of these down-the-line hits.
For sure she is. Kanina pa niya tina-target itong down the line. Kasi medyo maliit yung blocker niya dun sa lugar na yun. Nakita niya late na late eh. Pag maliit yung blocker mo at nakita mong kumagat sa decoy, automatic kahit may onting delay lang sa talon, ang laki na nung space mo para paluin papunta sa down.
Doon mo nadalhin, ano? 23-15. So Estrelier is back on deck. Patara with a quick. I think that's the right height and right approach for Kring Batara.
Obviously, Martin, kitang-kita natin yung power niya for that quick attack. Ayun ang kailangan pa nila. Onting receive pa. Hindi kasi nila magagawa yan kapag wala silang magandang reception.
So, Kayla Hazareno. Yan natin kung makaka-push back pa dito ang JRU. Back set for Makilang. Dug up. Oh. Tatawid. So, Letran is at set point.
4 touches called on JRU.
This is a convincing performance in set number 1 for the Letran Lady Knights. It'll begin with their super rookie in Gia Makilang. Actually, we have a couple of super rookies here.
Yes.
Makilang and Martin.
That's so true.
Diba? Ruiz. Sarado ang pintuan. Free ball. Nagkagulo dun sa JRU. Judel and set number 1. Itura is just unstoppable here in this match. This time going cross-court for a change.
Tama, Martin. Doon natin makita yung confidence kanina. Sabi niya, pumupuro na ako sa down the lane. Ibahin ko naman. Try natin sa cross-court. Nakita niya, wala pa rin nakakapasa. Talo niya, pumuntos ulit si Itura.
Pagbalik natin, set number 2 ng ating laban.